Discover the key to free Monopoly Go dice, just as I did. Stay tuned until the end, and I'll reveal the secrets to instantly acquiring Monopoly Go dice for your gaming pleasure. Now, let's open the door to this treasure trove. Open your browser and go to shown website. You can also find it easily on Google. Once there, input your Monopoly Go username. Specify the number of free dice you desire and select your device type. Click Continue. Depending on your location, a quick verification step may appear. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Simply complete one of the tasks from the provided list, and in just 2 minutes, you'll be verified, just like I demonstrated in this video. After verification, return to Monopoly Go and get ready to be amazed as you claim your free dice instantly. If you're enjoying this video, don't hold back. Hit that like button and share the wealth with your friends.